Okay, let's get into it. Today we're doing a deep dive into an online vendor called Purge Store. And we're really focusing on consumer transparency and analyzing their marketing claims. They sell a lot of supplements geared towards detoxing and gut health.
Yeah, things like parasite cleanses, liver support, the stuff you see all over social media.
Exactly.
And our mission here is, well, it's very specific. We're looking at the source material, a review of the store, to analyze its operational structure.
To see what kind of business you're actually dealing with.
Precisely. We're looking at the mechanics of the vendor, not the science behind the supplements themselves.
And this is really important, so we have to get this out of the way first. Our mandatory disclaimer.
Yep.
This is all educational commentary. It is absolutely not medical advice. We're analyzing the business, not telling you it's good or bad for your health.
Right. Always talk to a healthcare professional.
So let's start with that first impression. You land on purgestore.com. What do you see?
Well, the first thing our sources note is that it looks professional. I mean, really professional.
What does that mean exactly?
It means you see clear product photos, very detailed descriptions, and the branding is consistent across all the bottles and the site itself.
Which is a big deal because a lot of less legitimate sites don't bother with that.
Not at all. What you typically see with scams are like mismatched stock photos, maybe some broken links, really vague product info.
Just a generic template.
Exactly. The effort put into Purge Store's site, it signals they intend to be a real long-term business.
Okay, so the polish is there. But what about the actual substance, the structural legitimacy?
That's where you look at the verifiable operations. And they do have them.
Like what?
Well, beyond just listing ingredients, which they do, they have clear return policies. They have customer service contact info that's easy to find.
Not just some web form that goes into a black hole.
Right. And they have all the standard security features for checkout. These might seem like small details, but they are the bedrock of, consumer trust.
So it means they've actually built a system to deal with customers and problems.
Precisely. It suggests they're ready to handle returns, chargebacks, all the things a fly-by-night operation would just run from. They're playing by basic retail rules.
Okay, so let's shift gears a bit. Let's talk about the user experience. This is where the rubber meets the road, right? Our sources show that the reviews are a bit mixed, but they generally lean positive, at least when it comes to the transaction itself.
And what does positive mean in this context?
People are mentioning that shipping times were pretty reasonable. Some are claiming the products helped with, bloating or digestion.
And the mixed part. I think that's just as important.
Yeah, some customers mentioned shipping delays or that they, didn't really feel the detox effects they were hoping for.
Which is to be expected, right? Results are always going to vary from person to person with supplements and shipping logistics. They're never perfect. That's not really a red flag for fraud.
No, it isn't. But here's the finding that really, for me, crystallizes the analysis.
What's that?
The complete absence of that one major red flag. There are no widespread, verifiable claims that people paid and their orders just vanished.
So the company didn't just take the money and run.
Exactly. That's the key difference between a business with some issues and an outright scam.
So if we pull all of this together, what's our conclusion based on the source material?
Well, it seems that based on the structural and operational data, Purge Store appears to be a legitimate business selling these detox supplements.
Right, a legitimate business. We have to stress, again, that this is nothing about whether the products work for any given individual.
Absolutely. You still must consult a healthcare professional before starting any kind of cleanse or supplement regimen.
So the core takeaway here for you, the listener, is understanding that crucial difference.
Yeah, the difference between a structurally sound business, one that ships, has customer service, follows rules, and the scientific context of what they're actually selling.
Being able to separate those two things is key to making an informed choice.
It really is.
Which, it brings up a bigger question for me. If we connect this to the wider world of online shopping, what do you think consumers value more? Is it the verifiable stuff, like good shipping and a decent return policy? Or is it the rigorous scientific proof for the products themselves? What actually builds trust in today's market?